Good afternoon. This is Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I'm going to show you how thick my book is already getting, and I haven't even finished the first signature, but it's looking pretty good. And today I wanted to document a couple of things that I found again. I found these pictures of my son when he was little and his son when he was little. And I just thought that would be cute to put them side by side in my journal. And then I found these copies of my son's and my daughter's little wedding invitations that I thought I would put in my book. I hadn't remembered I even had put these aside. They're from 2015. They both got married in 2015. And I thought I would put this vintage envelope in my book and put the wedding invitations inside there. First I have to figure out what to do, how to put those pictures in the book. But also I still have this envelope with the $2 Canadian bill in it. And then I also have this. My daughter went to China quite a few years ago as a teacher of the English language, and this was her business card, and so I'm going to put that in the envelope with the $2 bill, and then we'll just put that up on a page. So let's figure out what page to put all this stuff on, or what pages I should say. I don't think that looks good there, and I don't want to cover that all up. So here we got 2 blank pages that are just ready to be decorated. So I think I'll put this here. It fits perfectly on here. I might actually put it this way. It's easier to get stuff in and out that way. And I'm probably going to put this here. Not sure if I'm going to just glue it down or put it in a pocket. It's funny how you realize you're looking for something else and then you realize you have all this other old ephemera saved up that you didn't have when you were, and you weren't, I wasn't journaling back then, so now I can add it to my journals. And there's a little hair stuck on there. Oh shoot! What did I just do? The opposite of what I wanted to do. It's not coming off. Oh well. This is the paper pad I got this from. So I thought we could get maybe a coordinating paper to go with it, to be the pocket. No. 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 How about the pink hearts? That's a good one. That matches pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to just do a little notch like this. And I think I'll glue the sides on this one. Our weather went back to winter. Not good. After having 80-degree weather, to go back to 40-degree weather is pretty darn depressing. Okay, so that's like that, and then as soon as that's totally dry, I'll put that in there. Now, this does need a little bit of decoration, but first, I need to figure out what I want to do with these. Oh, this looks perfect, this page. And get some backers on there and a label, and I think that'll be good to go. So this is the paper pad that I got this paper from. So maybe we can find a coordinating paper to be the backers, but this looks beautiful just the way it is because it's so nice and blue. But let's see if there's, oh, that would be pretty too. That would be nice. I think I'm leaning toward towards the solid blue. Yeah. So we're going to go with this one. Just cut a couple of little mats for the photos. So I'm going to just kind of hold it out there like this. Alright, so now I'm just going to glue these down, and I'm going to find a label to put like right here to, you know, just document what it is. Although I'm sure anybody that's going to look at this is going to know what it is. But, you know, I was thinking the other day, if we don't write things down, nobody will remember us. And that's how history has been recorded, you know. People wrote down. They kept letters that they wrote to each other, and that's how we know things about the past. So someday when my grandson is the President of the United States, there his picture will be. And maybe somebody will find this in a thrift shop, or maybe one of my kids will want it, but they're going to know who this is and who this is, and who everybody else in here is. Okay, so this is dry. I'm going to put that right in there. I think for my label for this page, I've seen this done before, where you put a tag on the side like that, glue it down. I think I'll ink the edges in blue, and then I'll put a pretty tie in there, just make it look pretty hanging out. And it's kind of like a tab too, so that is what I think I will do. So I tested this ink out, Speckled Egg, on here, and I thought, well, that's not the same kind of blue. This is almost like a periwinkle. However, I did notice it's exactly the same color as these little flourishes down here, so I decided to go with it. Well, this seems like a good match, so we're going to go with this. It's like baker's twine. And we'll just put it through. Now, if I was being really fancy, I would put an eyelet in there, but I'm not going to be super fancy today. Okay, so we're going to put that just like that. And then I can write on it later. Yep, I started this side and I didn't like the way it came out. Okay, we're going to put that right like that. And that's that page. So now I've got this cute little pink polka dot washi tape, so I think I'm going to decorate the envelope, like the bottom of the envelope, with that. And hopefully it sticks. That looks cute. And maybe I'll stamp it with something. How about some butterflies? I got a butterfly here. Let's see if my archival coffee ink still works. We'll put it on a test. Oh, I can also, oh, works great. You can't see it. Did you see it? I don't know. Let's put the butterfly right here. I also think maybe I will put a bee right here. Why not? But I'm going to make it in the blue. Or the speckled egg, I should say. Okay. Let's put that right there. No, I'm not a bee. Ladybug. Oh, that looks cute. Alright. I think we need something else here. How about a brown ladybug right here. And a dragonfly. And then we'll be done with that decorating. Simple decorating. I always feel like I'm in a rush, and I hate that feeling. I'll be glad when I don't always feel like I'm in a rush. Alright, maybe a flower. Got here's a white one. It's kind of big though. That's okay. Let's go with this white one right there. That looks cute. And that's going to be my decoration for that. Oops. Right like that. Somebody's mowing their lawn out there. It's that time of year. I think it's our neighbor. Our neighbor is an auto repair place. Okay, so we've got this with the pocket, or the pocket with the envelope that had the $1 bill, the $2 bill, and my daughter's business card. That's going to go in there. And here are my son and daughter's, other daughters, wedding invitations, or wedding announcements, I should say. And then over here, my grandson and his dad, my son. And I will fill out that all later. And I see it got on here. But we can cover that up. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for supporting the channel. And we will see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.